Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be doing an entire house clean with me, and I'm hoping that this one will be a relaxing one. I'm going to have some nice calming music, and I just hope that it'll be motivating for you guys to get some cleaning done around your house. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now and join me in my many adventures of cleaning and hauls and meal planning and all kinds of different things on my channel. For today, I am going to be doing a cleaning of the whole downstairs, except for I'm not going to clean the dining room or the bathroom downstairs because I cleaned both bathrooms downstairs yesterday, so I'm not going to worry about that. Also, I vacuumed and mopped last night, so I don't have to worry about that as well. And then I'm going to be cleaning the upstairs, kids' bedrooms, and their bathroom because it was in desperate need. So today is Gracie June's Easter egg hunt, and that was her little egg carton that we had to decorate. And then we made these cute little bunny juices. I'm sure you've seen them on Pinterest for her class. Also, I want to let you guys know that I do get all of my products from Growth Collaborative, and I'll have a link below if you want to check them out. But I'll also put some of my favorite cleaning products that I get very frequently and that you'll see me using in this video here.
The door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say, but I am done. Yeah, I am done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Oh, I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. Stronger than ever. Baby, it's not a shade of mine. I'm all in.
sponsored by Nano Knockout, and this is a microfiber cloth that you can use for dusting. It also has a mop extension pole that you can use to mop the floors, but you can use it with or without water to dust and clean anything, and you don't have to use any chemicals in order to use it. So it's actually a really good choice if you are looking for something safe to use around your house. I will leave the link down below in the description box if you guys are interested in checking out this microfiber cloth. I love the fact that I can run around my house and get a lot of dusting done in a short amount of time. Although I do love the scents, especially Mrs. Meyers scents, when I'm cleaning, this does save me a lot of time. So if I have to clean my whole house, or if I just need to get some stuff done really quickly, then this is definitely a great option for that. So just make sure you check the description box below if you're interested.
It's a dizzying day. I would give a lot to get away. It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? I got the curtains up. I guess it would be nice if you...
And sorry you guys don't get to see me make up my bed today. I did that right after I woke up because I had a load of laundry that I didn't have a basket for, so I needed to throw it on the bed. So I decided to go ahead and make up my bed so that way I could easily throw the laundry on top. So sorry you guys don't get to see that today.
Feels like I've been here 1,000 years. Could you bring some light to me? Or just sit beside me and never leave? It's getting real dark in here. Feels like I've been here 1,000 years.
So Gracie June likes to move around these frames. I feel like she moves them all the time. So if you see videos and the frames are moved around, it's because she does that. Also, I get lots of questions about her quilt that's on her bed, and I actually got that from Target a few years ago. But if you go there, I know that they have lots of similar prints that are super cute that you should definitely check out.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a
Alright, and now that the house is clean, I'm going to start on some laundry while I watch TV. I usually watch like The Challenge on MTV or Grey's Anatomy. Those are like the two shows that I will record, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I will be finished. So let me know in the comments your favorite shows, or if you have any suggestions for me. I love to watch anything on Netflix. I need a new show to watch, so definitely give me some suggestions. So when I fold laundry, I kind of do piles and put them into sections based on whose belongs to who. And then for hang-ups, I will separate those out as well. And then for the kids, since their room is upstairs, then I will put them back in the basket after they're folded and then take them upstairs to put them up. And then you'll see me hang up our clothes and just kind of put those up after I'm finished. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some major cleaning motivation. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, and then go follow me on Instagram to see more of our daily lives and what we've got going on. I hope that you guys will stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!